In this video, I'll share the best QR code generators for businesses. Whether you're running a cafe, an agency, a SaaS product, or an offline store, these tools will help you create QR codes that are editable, trackable, and safe to use at scale. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Criteria. We're looking at 4 things that matter most for business use. Support for a dynamic QR code so you can update links without reprinting, scan analytics to measure your campaigns, how well each tool fits into your workflow, and the overall value for money. Now, before we dive in, let's quickly rule out a few options. Bitly is great for link management, but it's primarily a link shortener, not a dedicated design-focused QR tool. Scanova is powerful, but it's often more complex than what most teams need for quick, streamlined campaigns. And Adobe's built-in QR tool is easy to use, but it lacks the customization and analytics most businesses need. Instead, we'll focus on 5 tools that cover the full range of business needs: Uniqode, the QR Code Generator, QR Code Monkey, Canva, and QR Code Generator Pro. Here is how they compare, starting with the strongest option. Number 1, Uniqode. Uniqode is the most complete QR code generator on this list. It's built for everything from solo creators to large enterprises and supports almost any use case: menus, product packaging, events, print campaign, digital business cards, link and bio pages, and interactive forms that you can fully customize and track, making it a complete QR marketing suite. The dashboard is clean and clearly split between static and dynamic QR codes, so you always know what you're working with. Creating a code is straightforward. You choose the type, customize the design down to patterns and frames, and check a scannability score before you publish. A rare and very useful feature that helps you avoid the classic "we printed 10,000 flyers and the code doesn't scan" problem. Now, where Uniqode really pulls ahead is in features for growing businesses. You can create bulk QR codes using CSV or API, set up branded domains so your QR URLs look like your own site, and manage multilingual campaigns from one place. Now, analytics go far beyond simple scan counts. You can track scans by location, device, time, and campaign, put important QR codes on a watch list, and even connect everything to Google Analytics for deeper reporting. Uniqode also has its own built-in AI assistant called Una. At the top of the dashboard, you can use Create with Una to quickly generate the right type of QR code based on what you want to share. It suggests the best format and helps set up the basics for you. Una is also available inside the Analytics dashboard, where it can answer questions about your performance, like which regions are driving the most scans or what times your campaigns perform best, making insights easier to understand at a glance. And for even more control, Uniqode offers smart rules, which let you change where a QR code is redirected to based on conditions like time of day, location, device type, or user behavior. A single code can show different menus throughout the day, redirect visitors to country-specific pages, or send new and returning users to different links automatically. Security is another big strength. Uniqode is GDPR certified and SOC 2 Type 2 compliance, and you can manage users and permissions across teams. Now, that makes it a safe pick for industries where security actually matters. Plus, you get thousands of integrations and features like auto design, which instantly generates on-brand QR codes from your logo. Pricing starts at $9 per month, billed yearly. It's priced similarly to the other tools, but delivers the most complete set of business and enterprise features. Uniqode is best if you want a reliable, scannable QR code platform that can grow with your business and cover nearly every use case in one platform. And if you ever need help, they offer strong customer support with live chat, email, and even on-call phone assistance. Available 24 hours on weekdays and during daytime hours on weekends. Number 2, the QR Code Generator, TQRCG. The QR Code Generator, or TQRCG for short, is a great fit if you want a free, business-friendly way to create dynamic QR codes. You can create up to 2 dynamic QR codes for free and full editing control plus unlimited static codes. You get basic real-time scan analytics, but city, country, and device data are only available with an upgrade. Other freemium dynamic QR code generators impose scan limits, but with the QR code generator, your dynamic QR codes have no scan limit. Customization is strong for a lightweight tool. You can change colors, add logos, pick from different frames, and download your codes in PNG or SVG on paid plans. There's also a Chrome extension that lets you generate QR codes instantly without switching tabs. TQRCG even supports team collaboration for up to 5 users and offers 24/7 customer support, which is impressive for a tool with a free plan. The limitations show up when you scale. The free plan caps dynamic QR codes at 2, and the paid tier jumps to 5 dynamic codes at $5 per month when billed yearly. So bigger marketing teams will eventually need a more robust system. TQRCG is best if you want a clean, reliable way to create and track dynamic QR codes for free, or if you're a small team looking for simple analytics and customization without committing to a full enterprise platform. Number 3, QR Code Monkey. QR Code Monkey is the go-to option if you want a completely free QR code generator for simple use cases. It focuses on static QR codes, which means you cannot change the destination once they're printed, but you do get a lot of customization for something that costs nothing. The interface is straightforward. You paste your link, choose colors, adjust the shape of the QR body and eyes, and add a logo if you want. You can also download in multiple formats like PNG, SVG, PDF, and EPS, which is handy if you're printing on everything from business cards to posters. Now, the trade-offs are clear. Because the codes are static, you cannot edit the content later or track scans. There's no analytics dashboard, no scannability checker, no way to organize or save your codes, and no bulk creation in the free experience. Advanced features like team access, security, or integrations are not part of the package. So for bigger campaigns, that is a deal breaker. QR Code Monkey is free for static QR codes, and the paid upgrade for dynamic features starts at $9.99 per month. It's great for simple needs, but upgrades cost about the same as more advanced tools. QR Code Monkey is best if you need attractive static QR codes for one-time or small projects and don't need editing, tracking, or team features. Number 4, Canva. Canva's QR code maker is ideal for people who already design in Canva and just need to add a basic QR code to their designs. It's not a standalone QR platform, but a simple add-on inside a familiar design tool. You can add a QR code to any poster, flyer, menu, or social post directly in Canva. That means you can design the entire campaign asset and the QR code in one place, then export in whatever format you need. For marketers and designers who live in Canva anyway, this is convenient. However, the QR capabilities are very limited. You can only create static codes that point to a URL. You cannot update the link later, there's no tracking or analytics, and no bulk creation. QR customizations like eye shapes, patterns, smart rules, or scannability checks are not available. Busy designs can also cause scanning issues, and Canva doesn't warn you if your code becomes harder to read. Canva's QR tool is free for static codes, while dynamic QR codes inside Canva can be created using Uniqode or QR Code's Tiger Canva integration. These options let you track scans and update destinations later if you need to. Canva is best if you already use Canva for your marketing designs and only need simple, static QR codes embedded into those assets. Number 5, QR Code Generator Pro. QR Code Generator Pro is a good fit if you want solid features at a reasonable price, especially if you're already using Bitly. It's aimed at solopreneurs, marketers, and small to medium businesses that need dynamic QR codes without going full enterprise. You can create several QR code types from a central dashboard and set up campaigns directly from there. The tool lets you define things like print quantities and campaign periods up front, which helps if you're planning a specific promotion. There's also a visual preview of your analytics so you can see how scans are performing over time. However, the interface can feel busy and confusing at first. Many options are tucked away, and it's easy to get lost until you learn the layout. Analytics are also more limited compared to Uniqode. You get basics like location and device type, but not the same depth of data or flexible reporting. For scaling, you do get some bulk generation options and integrations, especially if you're in the Bitly ecosystem. But there are trade-offs. You can build smart, multi-link forms or advanced rule-based redirects, and its API doesn't support dynamic QR creation. Support is mostly automated, and there's no phone or direct email line to a team. which can be a drawback if you rely on QR codes for important campaigns. Pricing starts at $9.99 per month, billed annually. It's slightly above Unicode's entry price, but still affordable for small teams. QR Code Generator Pro is best if you're a small or medium-sized business that wants a decent mix of features and price, and you don't mind a slightly steeper learning curve or lighter analytics. So, to sum it up, Uniqode is the top choice if you want the most complete and scalable QR code platform for any business. QR Code Generator Pro is solid for small to mid-sized teams. QR Code Monkey covers basic free needs. Canva works for simple design-focused tasks, and TQRCG is great if you want free dynamic QR codes with built-in analytics. And don't forget that links to the best deals are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.